Dumpster rental service in Byron, Illinois. Handling debris and junk from any project can be challenging, but it doesn't have to be. ASAP Dumpsters in Demo provides dependable and efficient waste removal through our dumpster rental service in Byron, Illinois. Whether you're cleaning out your home, working on a remodel, or managing construction waste, we're here to make things easier. We offer multiple dumpster sizes to handle everything from small cleanups to significant demolition jobs. Our team takes the guesswork out of renting with clear guidance and responsive customer service. We take punctuality seriously. We arrive when we say we will and pick up when you're done so you can stay on schedule without worrying about delays. Renting with us is simple. We streamline the entire process, from selecting the correct container to final disposal, at competitive rates that won't break your budget. We're proud to serve Byron with waste removal solutions that do the job right. ASAP Dumpsters in Demo is committed to making your cleanup stress-free and efficient. Ready to clear that clutter? Call 779-275-0601 to see how we can help with your next project. Let's handle the mess together, one dumpster at a time.